To improve your appearance or reach your maximum potential, here are some general steps you can consider personal grooming. This includes maintaining clean and tidy appearance by showering regularly, brushing teeth, grooming facial hair, and keeping nails trimmed. Personal grooming is essential for not only your appearance, but also your overall hygiene and self-care routine. Fashion sense. Developing a fashion sense involves understanding what styles, colors, and fits work best for your body type and personal preferences. Experiment with different clothing combinations. Follow fashion trends for inspiration. And don't be afraid to try new styles until you find what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Physical fitness. Regular physical activity can help improve your physique, boost your energy levels, and enhance your overall health. Consider activities like weight training, cardio exercises, yoga, or sports that you enjoy. Pair exercise with a balanced diet rich in nutrients to support your fitness goals. Skincare. Establishing a skincare routine tailored to your skin type can help prevent issues like acne, dryness, or premature aging. This routine typically involves cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen daily to protect your skin from UV damage. Posture and body language. Your posture and body language play a significant role in how others perceive you. Stand or sit up straight, make eye contact, smile, and use open gestures to convey confidence and approachability. Practicing good body language can make you appear more attractive and engaging. Confidence building. Building self-confidence is a journey that involves recognizing your strengths, setting achievable goals, and challenging yourself to step out of your comfort zone. Practice positive self-talk, celebrate your achievements, and surround yourself with supportive individuals who encourage your personal growth. By focusing on these aspects of personal development, you can enhance your appearance, boost your self-esteem, and present the best version of yourself to the world.